Hi everyone, my name is Radia. I'm doing Certificate III of Pathology Collection. I start last year on October. Actually, I like doing this course. I like it so much because I feel it's interesting. And what's inspired me to do this course is because I just noticed that there is lots of demand in workplace in health industry. That's why I chose this course to do. Just I hope to find a job because I was looking for a job for a long time and I haven't got one. However, I have lots of children. Actually, I'm not sure if it's lots. 4 children. The younger one is just 3 years, and there is lots of pressure on me to this course. But because I really enjoy it, Teachers are very, very good. They are very helpful, and I can't stop it. Even I started, I can't stop it. I just arrived at one point. I wanted to stop, but I can't because I really enjoyed. Everything is good. I have a theory part and practical part. I'm just doing the theory part online at home, really easy to do, and the practical is really interesting and I really enjoy to do it with the teachers because the teachers are very helpful and doing everything to help us and to going forward with these courses. Don't stop, just start. Yes, it's really, you will, I promise you will enjoy it, because I've noticed that there is lots of demand on the pathology collection in the health industry, not just nurses, and even you could complete after this course. You can start with this and you even going forward, not just this point.